Good morning, my dear class 10 students. Today we are going to learn exercise 12.2 questions 8 to question 40. Students, question 7 is a deleted portion, so I am not referring to that question. So today we will be discussing question number 8 to question number 40. Directly entering to the question. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. The increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Now you need a horse. So the horse is tied from this corner. Okay. Let's see how the horse goes and graze. This much portion the horse can graze. It is this one. So you can see it is a part of the circle. It's a part of the circle. This is the rope and we can take it as the radius of the circle. So the length of the rope can be taken as the radius of the circle. Okay. Now the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. So which is the angle of the sector? This is the angle of the sector. What is that angle of a square? It is 90 degree. So let us see how we are going to find. The length of the rope will be the radius of the circle, that is R is equal to 5 meter. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square, 22 by 7 into 5 square, 78.5. You can see it is a quadrant. The grass in the quadrant can be grazed by this horse. So as discussed previously, we can do area divided by 4. Area divided by 4. Area of the circle we got it as 78.5 divided by 4 is 19.625. So area of the field in which the horse can graze is 19.625. How did I find it? I found the area of the whole circle and divided it by 4 because it is the quadrant of this circle. Next, if the rope is increased to 10 meter, you will calculate the area of the grazed area, that is 78.5. So what is the difference? 78.5 minus 19.625, it's equal to 58.875 meter square. Next question. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. Okay. So this is the brooch. So you're going to make it with a silver wire. Now what is that? The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. So this is a silver wire and each diameter, how many diameters are there? 5 diameters are there. All you're going to make it with the same silver wire. Find the total length of the silver wire required. Total length of the silver wire required. So to get this length, what will you find? To get this length. What is this length called? That is the perimeter of the circle called. Perimeter of the circle is circumference of the circle. What is the formula for circumference of the circle? It is 2 pi r. You know that, isn't it? Now, how many diameters? 5 diameters. The diameter of the circle is given 35 millimeter. So, if one diameter is 35 millimeter, how will be the length of 5 diameters? 35 into 5. 35 into 5. Now, total length of the silver wire. 35 into 5 is the length for the diameters and 2 pi r is the length for the outer circle. So 2 pi r plus 35 into 5. 2 pi r plus 35 into 5. Let's see. Total number of diameters to be considered is equal to 5. Total length of the 5 diameters, one diameter is 35 mm. So total length of 5 diameters is 35 into 5, 175. Now considering the outer circle, circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Students, do you have r in this? No, you don't have r in this. So what is 2 into r? 2 into r is diameter. Listen here once again. 2 into r. I am taking 2 into r. It is diameter. So 22 by 7 into 35. It's equal to 110. So for 5 diameters you need 175 mm. For outer circle you need 110 mm. So the total length is 175 plus 110. It is 185. Now area of each sector. Now listen here. You have drawn 5 diameters. So how many sectors you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diameters are there. If 5 diameters are drawn inside a circle, the circle will be divided into 10 equal parts. Students, listen here. If the circle is divided equally by 5 diameters, there will be 10 equal sectors. So how will you find each sector? Area of the whole circle divided by 10. So here you can see area of the circle is equal to pi r square. That means 1925 by 2 divided by 10. You will get 385 by 4. Area of each sector. Next question. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 cm, find the area between the 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Students, I'll explain the question first. Here you can see a umbrella. You can see an umbrella. So you have 8 radius drawn here. The radius is given as 45 centimeter. This is a radius. This is radius. So you can see 8 radii here. Okay. So it is divided into 8 equal sectors. I am talking about 8 radius. How many diameters? 4 diameters. Okay. So 8 radii are there. So the circle is divided into 8 equal sectors. There are 8 radii drawn. So they are divided equally into 8 sectors. Okay. Now area of the circle is equal to pi r square. You will get 6364.29 centimeter square. How many ribs are drawn? 8. The area between the 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella. How will you find? You will divide the circle into 8 equal parts. So what is the area of the circle? 6364.29. You will divide it with 8. How did you get 8? You know it is 8 equal sectors. So 6364.29, the whole divided by 8. You will get the answer as 795.5 centimeter square. So the area of each sector is 795.5 centimeter square. Next question. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So, length is taken as radius and this angle is taken as angle of the sector. Applying the formula. Here, total area. You have two wipers. So, for one wiper, the area will be theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So, you have two blades which have equal radius. So, the total area of the sector made by the wiper is equal to 2 into 3 by theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Why this 2 has come here? Because there are two blades. Substituting the values, you will get the answer as 1254.96 centimeter square. Next question. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. First, we'll draw the figure. So, 16.5 is the radius, angle of 80 degree. So, the answer is here the radius will be the distance over which light spreads. So, what is the thing which you want to find here? It is the area of the sector that you are going to find. What is the formula for area of a sector? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Now, r is 16.5 kilometer and angle is 80 degree. Substituting the values, you will get the answer as 189.97 kilometer square. Hope you understood the question. 80 by 360 into pi means 3.14, r square is 16.5 the whole square. You will get the answer as 189.97 kilometer square. The next two questions we will discuss in the next video.